So if you have been looking to know the new ear tips that has come to the market, and this is for people that are actually looking for quality ear tips for their IEMs and headphones and AirPods. This new DUNU Spinfit just came out today. Is the new CP1025. It's actually the 1025 model from DUNU. It is a really new product, basically designed for the AirPods Pro, and it is going to be very good. Basically the new CP1025 is a well enhanced silicon ear tip for your AirPods and similar wireless earphones. And what it offers you is a premium silicon and very cushion soft design to give you a very relaxing feel, especially when you put the earphone in your ears. It will not be annoying, or it will not really be something that would put you off or make you want to take it off. So the new CP1025 is well made. It's, if you buy a pair of it, it's gonna come with 4 ear tips and 2 adapters. So it's pretty much well made. And if you know DUNU ear tips, you would know by now that they actually popularized Spinfits. They were kind of like the major brand that popularized Spinfits ear tips, and a lot of people like their ear tips. They sound very good, very well controlled. They actually even make most earphones present sound better, especially when you use their ear tips. And that is what it is right now. So that is what it is right now. The CP1025 has come out. You get it in multiple sizes: small, medium, large, and there is even a medium large in there as well. So it depends on what you want, on different diameters as well. You pretty much would get a better sounding ear tip for your AirPods. I will definitely leave a link to the official store so you pick up this new ear tip, especially if you have the Apple AirPods Pro or similar AirPods from any other brand. There are so many brands now making AirPods, from Anchor to Edify. There are so many true wireless AirPods out there. So it's not only just meant for Apple. You can try it out on other devices. You can try it out on other devices and see what works for you. Be sure to follow us here on social media, guys. Subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.